Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find Instagram group chat. Instagram groups are communities where users band together to help each other with their activities on Instagram. Everyone in the group interacts with each other's content, like it, leaves comments, and share it. This way, when you post something on Instagram, you can get a bunch of activity on your post, which tells the algorithm that your content is good and should be shown to more people. But these groups aren't like Facebook groups, where members share content in a common feed that everyone can see. Instead, Instagram groups are moderated from other social media platforms like Facebook and Telegram, or even through single users' DMS called pods. These groups can be private or public and often have certain guidelines. Some groups are only for certain niches, while others are for general engagement. Many of these groups work on specific posting times. There are also paid groups with strict moderators who make sure everyone follows the rules. To find group chats on Instagram, open the app and tap on the magnifying glass icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, type the name of the group chat you're looking for into the search bar at the top of the screen. If the chat is public, it will appear in the results. If it's private, you'll need to be invited to join. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.